Hello everyone, welcome back to Harjeet's World, and my name is Harjeet, and today I'm going to talk about Gulf Air. Gulf Air has opened their vacancy, and in today's video I'm going to talk about their requirements and how you can apply. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and do hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harjeet Dreams. I have worked as a cabin crew for almost 8 years, and I will try my best to share my experiences with you guys as much as I can. So let's start with the video. The first thing which I'm going to talk about is the eligibility criteria. So minimum qualification they are asking is 12th pass. Minimum age requirement is 21 and maximum should be 30. Height requirement should be 160 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches. The next requirement is weight, which should be proportionate to height. So you can calculate on the basis of BMI. I will share the link in the description box how you can calculate your BMI. So the next requirement is ability to swim. You should be able to swim 50 meters without any help. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be able to swim 50 meters at least without any help, which means that you should know swimming, because they might ask you in the ditching drill, they can ask you there to swim, and if you're not able to swim, they might ask you to leave. If you don't know swimming and if you think you can learn swimming within a couple of weeks, so then you can go ahead with the application. So the next requirement is about tattoos and scars, and they have clearly mentioned no visible, which means that nothing should be visible when you wear their uniform, so no scars or no tattoos should be visible. So this vacancy is open for freshers as well as for experienced. Anyone can apply. They have also mentioned that if you are from service industry, then that will be an advantage. So you will be given some preference. For this vacancy, male and female both can apply. So this vacancy is open for Bahrain based, which means that once you are selected, you have to relocate to Bahrain and you will be operating all your flights from Bahrain. For applying for this vacancy, you have to go onto their website, that's jobs.gulfair.com. So I'm going to share the link in the description box, and once you click onto the link, you can see all the requirements, and just below the requirements you will see apply for the vacancy, and you have to just click onto that. So once you click on the vacancy, a personal information page will be opened where you need to provide your personal information like your first name, second name, last name, gender, date of birth, marital status, country of residence and nationality. And just below that you will be asked for your contact details, where they have asked your contact number. Please do mention your country code as well and your email address. If you're shortlisted, they are going to contact you through your email or your contact number. So please provide your correct contact number and email address. Just below that you can see employment details. If you have worked previously or you have worked with Gulf Air or any department of Gulf, you can mention that or just write no. And next you have to upload your CV and submit. That's all you have to do. Last date to apply is 28th of February. So that's how you can submit your application. And once you submit your application, they will contact you and they will guide you regarding their recruitment process. So it's just a simple form which will take 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and if I will be at your place, I will just apply and I'll start preparing for my interviews. And there's so many other vacancies which are open. I will apply for all of them, and I want to suggest you guys that you should apply for all the vacancies which are open at this stage. And don't think about the recruitment process or anything else. You should be thinking about how you can prepare yourself for the interview. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.